Rip.
I'm done.
What happened?
No, that's my ex house, nigga. Is it? Oh, I'm gonna get stuck, bro.
Nah, I don't think so.
No fucks. No fucks.
You got like that much money till you go up.
Stuck, nigga, no! I'm stuck.
You're not stuck.
I'm stuck, bro.
No, you're not.
No way, yeah, you're done.
I told you.
What?
You're done. When you're going back, or your exhaust is going forward.
What do you mean?
When you're going back, your exhaust is going in.
Hold on, I got you. I know how we'll. Oh, wait, I threw away all my
shit.
wood.
I know what it is.
What is it?
It's my fucking mid pipe.
I mean, it's just a DE, bro.
You want to put wood under your tire over there or lift it up?
That fucking low life, bro.
Bro, you don't have anything else?
No mames.
Hey, get on that
Hey,
side.
that shit has nails, bro. Hold on, let me go forward.
Go on that side.
I don't think it's gonna work.
Where's it at? I am. The thing is stuck. Bro, you're not even low though. God damn.
Pull it, pull it.
Now it's stuck.
Hey, back that ass up. Ooh.
Alright, there you go.
Oh
I
yes.
guess it worked.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, dude, look at that
Keep
shit.
going. Oh, you're straight, bro.
Oh.
Hey, you fucked up my driveway.
Hey, you good? Your parts still work? You don't got any leaks? Cause goddamn, I would've fucked my shit up. Bruh, the struggle of lowering your car. Oh my god, did it rain in your... Oh, you can't even see. Did it rain inside your headlight?
Here, dog. Here, bro. Hey, bro, take a motherfucking bite.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Goddamn.
That shit was good, though.
Boys,
Mr.
Little
Bus.
Caesars.
Bro, you
Hey,
both
good
as
thing my
fuck.
roof is clean, bro. Look.
Oh my god.
Before we... Oh yes. Guys, so today we're gonna be wrapping this faggot's roof.
He's like,
Oh,
the first time I'm on your video and you're gonna disappoint me later.
You got this.
bro, we all get roasted. You know, it's just a little basic DE. Nothing special. These get no love either. But we're wrapping it gloss black. So we're gonna show you guys. We're gonna try to show you guys how to wrap it. But don't follow us though, cause we don't know what we're doing. Sorry, Piña. I think we're gonna clean it.
Hey, we gotta clay bar it.
That shit bad.
Yeah, we're gonna clay bar it, and then do it. I mean, we've done this before. We did it to my Z. You gonna go around the corner? Alright, hold up. Oh my god, is that a Tommy? God damn, it looks sexy. Take it for a spin. Bro, that shit sounded fucking wet. Oh fuck. Oh my god, who is Mans? Oh my god. So we're using this to clean off the top part of it first. My servant here is doing it for me. That smells like... That smells like,
Nigga, you don't need that much.
Better get all that shit off.
Bro, damn.
So you got a clay bar, please.
You should have used acetone.
For real.
If you really wanted to clean it.
Hey, that shit smells good, bro.
It smells like hot tamales.
They smell like cinnamon.
For real.
Yeah, nigga. You know what hot tamales are?
Cinnamon?
Nigga, what?
You're right.
Oh, yeah. He fucking disassembled everything before coming here.
Disassembled?
Disassembled? What are you doing?
Oh, wait, no. Actually, yeah, from the back. Wait.
So you want to take these off
Yeah, from the back.
so that we can stick the wrap here. Is that a bike? Is that your bike?
No, it's, watch.
Is that your bike?
It's Jesus's.
Jesus. You put hell S's behind that shit. Jesus.
Well, Jesus ends with the S, so you had to put another S on that bitch.
Oh, yeah.
You feel me?
That's cute, bro. Go.
Dirty as hell.
Oh. Hey, why is that one fucked up? Why is your bumper fucked up?
Hey, you see what happened was.
Why is your car pooped?
It's like I didn't come on this YouTube channel to fucking
Get roasted. Everybody gets roasted here.
I'm up.
He's a new camera guy, bro. We already fired the other phone.
We switch off and on, alright? So right here, what he's doing, he's clay barring this dirty ass roof down. As you can tell.
This fool never washed his car.
Hey, last time we washed it together.
Oh,
Last time I washed it.
we did.
Bro,
In bikinis. Mugre, fool? Okay, I just cleaned my lawn.
Hey, whose fucking owner is?
Alright, I need some new
Whose owner is this?
The owner of this ugly and nasty ass car, bro. God damn.
I think it's
Give me
Jesus.
some more. Oh,
Show me what you're doing right now. Show me what you're.
you gotta spread it out, like, you know.
Ooh.
Kind of like playing with Play-Doh.
Kind of playing like Play. Kind of playing like Play-Doh. I'm done. Oh yes. You gotta rub that shit really good.
Show me who does it better. Show me who does it better. Oh shit! Until he jacks off because he hasn't stopped.
My thing got tired,
See what for him?
Yeah, let's see it for him. Fuck.
That was my weak one too.
He came super prepared.
We got a new squeegee right here. Where's the real one at though?
Hey,
It's in my butt pocket, bro.
I could light up my shit with this.
That look good.
But this fool came in clutch. I thought he was for real.
Look at that. Compare them, bro. Compare them, bro.
But we're good now.
Good.
I took this from my mom. We use it for like frosting cakes.
Some Fortnite shit, bro. Do some Fortnite.
Alright, no bug. Hey, come on, Pina.
I think you skipped some steps.
I think I skipped all the steps.
Alright, so we're gonna start placing the vinyl now. This is the scary part for the owner over there, Mr. D. So yeah, we're gonna start doing from sections. So we're gonna start from that side over there and lay it down flat. I think. First, I think you should heat up the vinyl first.
Yeah, heat up the vinyl. Do everything, not just one spot. No, why you put your finger down? Here, pick it up.
My nigga.
Why you put your hands down?
Alright, don't heat up in one spot. Heat it up the whole thing.
I'll hit it.
So it's flexible.
We'll be doing it the HOOD way.
The HOOD way?
The HOOD way.
Hey, güey, te van a pegar.
For real. O sea, ¿ya le estás haciendo más chingaderas al carro?
Ponte a salvar.
For real. Your mommy telling you the same shit, huh?
What's that, what?
Ahorrar. Like ahorrar and shit.
Oh, orar.
Ahorrar, this was a pray. Ahorrar. Ahorrar.
What's that, bitch?
What'd you say?
Orar.
What?
Fuck you. I can't say my R's, bitch.
Grrrr. Scooby-Doo papa. So far the process is pretty good.
Yeah, bro. Hey, where the fuck Lexi go, bro?
Where is Lexi? What the fuck?
The fuck?
Oh shit!
Oh! Oh, fucker.
Oh, fuck. Actually, this shit. Oh, fuck.
We have a slow CC being born.
Is HR owners are born.
Through these. Through these.
I fucked up.
Why?
I came on the wrong way.
We don't know what we're doing. Niggas coming out through the sunroof. As you can tell,
We're pretty much done.
So clean. If you guys ever need vinyl work, don't hit us up because
We don't know what we're doing. But hey, straight out though,
it's just dirty, but
we're tucking everything in. We already tucked in the sides.
you can't see anything.
We're good.
kinda
We're
dark.
good.
That should clean us up.
told you, bro.
Look at that.
Here, pásamelo.
We do the best job here.
Fucking mirror
The Lexi right now. The mirror? The mirror?
Who's dumbass?
And by the way, this is all he did.
Yeah, literally that's it.
He didn't do
That's all he
shit.
did.
I didn't.
All he did was wipe it down. I was like,
His
oh
mustache
yes.
did more than he did.
Alright guys, so we're done with the wrap. You're welcome, bitch. That's 160 bucks right there.
For real.
But it came out pretty good.
Came out really good.
For our 4th time doing it. Shotgun a beer to celebrate for this guy right here. I mean, you still drive a DE, pero
How you wait, hold up. Do you not know how to fucking open it?
Pay thumb up for the hole.
Hey, you guys better not cut yourselves or something. Alright, we're good.
I'll put it right here, bro.
Hey, what am I?
Hey, no spilling, bitches. Look at you! Oh my god! I spilled a little, nigga. Chill out.
Fucking
On my back. Alright, hey. Hey. Hey, cheers, brothers.
What?
We got
Hold on. This supposed to be struggling. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, that's just fucking cold.
One of those beers still sound full.
That's just full.
The full dude.
Look what I spilled, nigga. Check.
Okay, look.
It's full dude.
No, okay, no. Look. Look how much mine had.
Look at that.
No,
After you already
that's how you
spilled
spill
it.
hella.
You gotta do another one, bro.
Hell no.
You gotta do it again. Look at that.
That was his.
Hey, you gotta do another one.
Fuck no.
That was spit, dog.
Oh, wait. Shut the fuck up, dude. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, you comment, and
Subscribe, baby!
turn up.